It really feels nice. I mean, I'm very comfortable. The seats are comfortable. And speaking of commands, if I say, heat my seat, will it heat up on its own, or do I have to flick a switch?
There's a certain verbiage you have to use to get the car to respond. It knows certain commands. So you would learn those commands, and you know, it may be as simple as temperature setting 65 degrees, and the car will go to 65 degrees.
That's awesome. And the adjustments for the seat, it can kind of grip around my body.
Yep, we'll have certain settings on the seat. If you get a sport package, you can have lumbar seat, you can have lumbar in your back, you can have bolster settings on the sides, bolster settings on the sides of your legs, your thighs, and it'll also have an extension for the back of your legs for a long trip, so it's nice and comfortable for you.
Very nice. And of course, what's important to me too, in addition to all the features, is the radio and the entertainment center itself. What's available on the Q50?
Every car comes standard with the same radio. It's a 14 speaker, 2 subwoofer stereo system from Bose.
So if I pull up to somebody with the windows down, they're next to me, they're going to hear it.
They're going to hear it loud and clear.
That's a good thing. I like that.
Okay, and you know, whatever music you want to play, you can have it crystal clear.